really nice 2018 Peterbilt 579. Got the Cummins engine in it, 425 horsepower, tandem axle truck. Thing's got 283,000 miles, I believe is what it is. This is an automatic transmission in this truck. Set up with a headache rack there. Cold air in it. Stereo, pretty clean truck. Low miles for 2018 model. Got a little ding in the fuel tank right there on that side. But other than that, good running little truck, low miles. Nice to have that Cummins engine in it as well. That air ride suspension. Shifts out nice. 2018 Peterbilt 579 tandem axle tracker with the 425 horsepower Cummins engine in it, automatic, headache rack. Nice little truck.